Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to test video on Zoom. To test a video on Zoom, these are the steps that you need to take. On the Zoom desktop app, sign in to your account. And on the home screen, go ahead and click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Then from the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the settings window, select video from the left-hand menu, and under my video, you'll see a preview of your camera feed, which we have here. So this is me, and this is the preview of my camera feed. Now, this allows you to check if the camera is working and if your image looks clear. You can adjust the camera angle or lighting if needed to improve your video appearance. Now, if you have multiple cameras, example, built-in laptop camera and external webcam, you can use the camera drop-down menu to select the correct camera you want to use for your meeting, which we have here. So if you have multiple cameras, you can just choose any of them. I have HP True Vision HD, which is my webcam, and I have OBS virtual camera, which I can also use. Now, go ahead and check the enable HD, which is here, the HD box to enable high definition video for clearer images, provided your internet connection and camera supports it. And you can also enable touch up my appearance for a smoother look on the video, which is optional. And how do you do that? Head over to the top here and click on background and effects and click on touch up my appearance. For that, you can also click on adjust for low light. If you want, you can select mirror my video or portrait lighting, anyone that just makes your video looks better like that. And to further test your video in a live environment, you can, let's just exit this, you can just click on new meeting. So you can just click on this new meeting on the home screen to start a new meeting. When the meeting starts, you automatically see your video feed on the screen. Now you can also adjust the video settings during the meeting, all right, by clicking on this icon that is next to the video. So you can click on that, and this will open the menu where you can select a different camera or adjust the video settings from here. Now you can check your camera connection. Check your camera connection. If you're not seeing your video feed, ensure your camera is properly connected and enabled. And if you're using an external camera, check the connection or try restarting your computer. On Windows, go to Settings, Privacy, Camera, and ensure Zoom is allowed to access the camera that's on your Windows settings, your system settings itself. On Mac OS, go to System Preferences, click on Security and Privacy, click on Camera, and check the Zoom has permission to use the camera. Now, if the video is still not working, you can close and restart the Zoom app or reboot your computer to resolve any issues. By following the steps, you can easily test and adjust your video settings on Zoom to ensure everything looks good before your meeting starts. Now, go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.